Hi, Chris here at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Got a lovely transporter to preview to you guys today. This one's a very rare 150 4Motion manual transporter Kombi van. Got the important differential lock, and it's had our full MASV styling. Just run you through some main parts shortly. It's a 2373 registration, delivery mileage, so virtually brand new. You can imagine condition. It's finished in pure grey, and as I say, it's had our MASV style pack. Just walk round and run you through some of the main points. So as usual, it's got our 20-inch Velour gloss black alloys with Uniroyal Rain Sport premium tyres. It's got the black trapeze sidebars, gloss black detailing to the mirror cap, surrounds, wind deflectors, privacy glass to the side loading doors and rear tailgate. It's got the smoked rear lens, gloss and black badging to the 4Motion badge, colour coded tailgate spoiler, rear park sensors, rear camera, and a glazed tailgate heated with wash wipe. Now I think this could be the only manual 4Motion Kombi available in the UK today. It's got the gloss black badge detailing to the front bumper, gloss and black matte badging, and the lower front splitter as well. Let's take you in the driver's cabin area. So it comes with the electric windows and heated door mirrors and folding mirrors. There's the all-important differential lock hill descent, just if you're uneven, slippy surfaces, wet grass, etc., just gives you that complete traction being a four-wheel drive model. It's got the carbon fibre leather sports flat bottom steering wheel. It's covered 177 miles only. It's got heated seats, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, Apple CarPlay, DAB radio, park sensors front and rear camera as I've said. It's got an MASV embossed carbon fibre effect leather, premium nappa leather, contrasting stitching, all ties in with the steering wheel. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, that's all on there as well. It's got what we call the 2+1 rear seat, very practical. All 3 seats can be removed, or the single seat on its own, or the double bench. Gives great access from the near side into the rear of the vehicle. Showing the tailgate area in the rear. all fully carpet lined out with the Alcantara suede roof lining and 4 LED downlighters. As I say, the seats all easy removable. There's your LED downlighters, and also 2 built into the tailgate, give you that extra vision when you're loading in the dark, etc. Rubber wipe clean floor mat. I said easy access, so just pull this lever up here, seat clicks forward so we can gain access to the rear. Again, all premium Napa leather, MASV embossed, carbon fibre effect, lovely detailing. Two captain front seats with the double armrests. Now these can be amended to make them swivel, so that little things like that we can amend the seats. Tow bars, laser lamps, all different kind of options we have available. Now the full specification will be on our website very shortly. Also 25 plus photos, full description of the specification, manufactured warranty until September 2026. And as I say, very rare. Transporter Kombi, 150 4Motion manual with a diff lock. Any inquiries, please contact myself, Chris, on 07888 989877, or look at our website, www.justnicefans.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.